Alright, I'm going to be using a size 13. Pretty sure it's millimeters, but yeah, we got a snug fit. So it's probably going to be easier to do it with the bike laying down because I don't have a bike stand. So basically you just need to get these 4 bolts, and there are also 4 all the way around matching. Oh, that's why the back tire's not turning. Yeah. Oh, got some movement. But yeah, this engine is probably going to be replaced. Clutch, everything is locked up. Alright, we got the clutch bolt free, but this thing is not moving. So I'm going to soak it down some WD-40. Also a tip, if you have a stuck clutch, take a small screwdriver, and if you're just going to replace the clutch or it's bad like this, in here where your springs are at, just take and hammer a small flathead down in here and it will hold your clutch from spinning so you can unscrew it. So, alright, clutch is freed up some. You can move it now. Well, you gotta get one more bolt off this bracket, and after that, everything should be coming off pretty smoothly other than the back tire. You also got to take this bolt off from your frame, and other than that, I believe everything else is unbolted. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, to get the back tire off, you want to get something you can hold a bolt, monkey wrench, whatever works fine. I used I want to say this is a 14, might be a 19 or 18, I'm not sure. Can't really see, but you want to spin one and hold one tight because they're just going to spin if you don't hold both at the same time. Alright, so we got the back tire off. It's a little bit tedious. Only thing holding it in there is this bracket right here and basically this chain and this chain guard. So what I'm going to do is take these 2 bolts off, take this chain guard off, which will free up this space back here, pull the chain over, and if it works out the way it should, the whole engine, clutch, everything should come off in one piece and be done with it. Alright, finally got the engine out. I had to take off the gas tank because the throttle cable is running inside the engine, and I've got to disconnect that so I don't mess any of this up. And like, comment, share, subscribe. Definitely subscribe if you're interested in this build. The next thing I'm probably going to be doing is taking the sticker packs off, like all this. It is a Baja Heat. I'm not sure which year, but I'm gonna take all these stickers off, probably leave the fenders, gas tank, and everything black. And I've got to think on what color to do this in. But that is all for today. Please stay tuned, and like I said, subscribe if you're interested in these type of channels, because there will be more content coming.